12 gadgets that are worth seeing. Get ready to discover 12 incredible gadgets that are absolutely worth checking out. These innovative tools combine practicality, convenience, and cool factor, offering something for everyone. From smart home devices that bring automation to your daily routine to portable tech that makes life on the go easier. Whether you're into high-tech fitness gear, compact productivity tools, or just want the latest must-have gadgets, these picks are sure to impress and keep you ahead of the curve. LG Standby Me Go Touchscreen. The LG Standby Me Go is a portable touchscreen display that brings flexibility and entertainment to any space. Its compact design includes a handle, making it easy to carry around. With a vivid display and responsive touch capabilities, it's perfect for streaming, video calls, and even gaming on the go. Imagine having a personal smart screen that goes wherever you do, whether for work or relaxation. The LG Standby Me Go is versatile, lightweight, and ideal for anyone looking for a portable media solution with a sleek and functional design. Kingsong KS-16 Unicycle. The Kingsong KS-16 Unicycle is a one-wheeled electric vehicle designed to add a little adventure to your commute. With a powerful motor and advanced stabilization, this unicycle can handle various terrains while providing a smooth ride. It's a fun and unique way to travel, offering a thrilling alternative to traditional transportation. Imagine navigating through your city on a sleek, self-balancing unicycle. The KS-16 provides a balance of excitement and practicality, making it perfect for tech enthusiasts who enjoy innovative ways to get around. Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM01. The Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM01 packs the power of a desktop into a handheld device with a nostalgic, retro-inspired design. This mini PC can handle everything from productivity tasks to gaming, all in a portable form factor. It's equipped with a high-resolution display and ergonomic controls, making it perfect for tech fans who love the charm of retro gaming with modern capabilities. Imagine carrying a full-fledged PC in your pocket, complete with gaming capabilities and a unique retro style. The Ayaneo Retro Mini is both powerful and portable, making it ideal for tech-savvy users on the go. Sarah Range Hood. The Sarah Range Hood is a sleek and efficient kitchen accessory designed to keep your cooking space fresh and smoke-free. Its minimalist design fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen, and it's equipped with powerful extraction capabilities. This gadget is essential for home chefs who prioritize cleanliness and a polished cooking environment. Imagine a kitchen range hood that not only works efficiently but also complements your kitchen's aesthetics. The Sarah Range Hood offers both style and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Boxblade Box Cutter. The Boxblade Box Cutter is an innovative ergonomic cutting tool perfect for opening packages and handling various cutting tasks. Its unique design includes a comfortable grip and a retractable blade for safety, making it a practical gadget for home or workplace use. Imagine a tool that makes opening packages and cutting tasks quick, safe, and efficient. The Boxblade offers precision and ease of use, making it a handy gadget for anyone who handles frequent unboxings or DIY projects. Manual cardboard box breakdowns can be time-consuming and cumbersome. Slicing through cardboard using traditional methods requires effort, precision, and time that many people find challenging to spare. Enter Boxblade, the ultimate solution that transforms this laborious task into a swift, efficient process. ViewSonic M10 RGB Laser Smart Projector. The ViewSonic M10 is a smart RGB laser projector that delivers bright, vivid images in a compact design. It offers high-resolution projection, making it perfect for home theaters, outdoor movie nights, or presentations. With smart connectivity features, you can stream directly from your favorite platforms, creating a cinematic experience anytime, anywhere. Imagine bringing a theater-like experience into your home or backyard with a small portable projector. The ViewSonic M10 combines power and portability, making it ideal for movie enthusiasts and professionals alike. Musen Digital Super Radio 001. The Musen Digital Super Radio 001 is a compact speaker that combines retro style with modern digital audio quality. Its portable design and high-quality sound make it a perfect gadget for music lovers. With Bluetooth capability and a sleek design, it's an ideal blend of old-school charm and contemporary tech. Imagine a small, stylish speaker that delivers rich, high-quality sound wherever you go. The Musin Digital Super Radio 001 adds a nostalgic feel to modern audio experiences, making it a great choice for design-conscious music lovers. G-Unfivre M40 Light. The G-Unfivre M40 Light is a compact, powerful LED light designed for content creators and photographers. With adjustable brightness and color temperature, it provides flexible lighting solutions for any setting. This portable light stick is perfect for vlogging, photography, or even lighting a room on the go. Imagine being able to adjust your lighting setup instantly for the perfect shot, wherever you are. The G-Unfivre M40 makes high-quality lighting accessible, adding versatility and convenience to any creative project. Trosk PD30Do Power Bank. The Trosk PD30Do Power Bank is a fast-charging, compact power solution for all your devices. With multiple charging ports, it can charge smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets quickly and efficiently. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry around, providing reliable power on the go. Imagine a power bank that's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to keep all your devices charged. The Trosk PD30Do offers a convenient solution for anyone needing reliable portable charging. Varjo XR4 Series. The Varjo XR4 Series is an advanced mixed reality headset designed for immersive virtual experiences. With ultra-high-resolution displays and precise tracking, it offers a hyper-realistic VR and AR experience. It's ideal for professional applications in fields like design, simulation, and training, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mixed reality. Imagine stepping into a virtual environment that's almost indistinguishable from reality. The Varjo XR4 provides an immersive experience, making it a groundbreaking tool for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. With inside-out tracking, integrated spatial audio system, complete with noise-canceling microphones, and controllers with advanced haptic feedback, the XR4 is ready to be scaled across the enterprise out of the box. Its premium ergonomics make it an ideal solution for all professional use cases of mixed reality. PolySync 20 Smart Speakerphone. The PolySync 20 Smart Speakerphone is a portable, high-quality speakerphone designed for remote work and virtual meetings. With its noise-canceling microphone and rich audio quality, it makes online communication crystal clear. It's compact and easy to use, ideal for anyone needing professional-grade audio in a portable form. Imagine a speakerphone that makes every call feel like you're in the same room, with no background noise and perfect clarity. The PolySync 20 enhances productivity and communication, making it essential for remote workers and professionals. Per GPS Tracker. The Per GPS Tracker is a compact tracking device perfect for keeping tabs on your belongings or loved ones. With real-time location tracking and a long battery life, it's ideal for travel, pet tracking, or asset protection. This gadget provides peace of mind with accurate, reliable tracking. Imagine a small device that keeps you connected to the things or people that matter most, providing real-time location updates. The Per GPS Tracker offers security and convenience, making it perfect for travelers, families, or anyone wanting to keep track of their valuables. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.